I'm about to show you how I wash my cars. I start with the wheels first and I work myself up to the paint, and then I get up to the windows. So this is how I start washing the wheels. I'm actually on a hill, so the way the car's sitting, I won't be able to get back here. I'd have to only be able to just get the tire. So, take my tire cleaner, well, the wheel cleaner, spray it. Take my tire brush. I just rinse this off. Rinse this off. And then we'll dry it up. So that way there's no watermarks. Process for all 4 tires. Alright, so now it's time to wash the paint. So I'm going to use this soap. So, the last thing is I'm going to put this at the very bottom of the bucket. And also this too. So then, whenever I'm washing off my microfiber towel, the dirt will get trapped underneath the grit guard, and I will not be transferring dirt back onto the car. We're gonna rinse the top of it off, get the top dirt. I actually do a 2-bucket method. So this is the rinse, and then that's soap. Now it's time to rinse the top off. Alright, and we repeat that same process with the rest of the car. You've seen me do the 2-bucket method with the soap and to dry off. Now, to wash the rest of the car, I use these microfiber mitts. And the technique to detailing a car, you want to do it in straight lines, just like this. Now when you get up to those little parts where you have to buff a little bit, like that, feel free to. But you don't want to do the whole car like this. That's how you get swirl marks. But like this, you should be able to be swirl mark free. It should still, oh see, there's a little part right there. Now get that one on. And it's off. Switching up the colors on you. This is the old one, and this is the new one. Well, we were going to show you guys the finished product, but it started raining. So, thanks for joining.